67. So it didn't get that far. Okay. All right, I'm just going to put one lot short on euro here. Let me see if it's moving up. I like this kind of little area to try a little something for one, just a half a position, and then we can always scale in. Okay. All right, just one small position. Then we can either add to it or I can just watch and see what happens. So here's the issue. See, we're at a 5-minute band shade, and a 1-minute band shade right here, which we haven't really clearly broken through. The 1-minute band shade at 62 right here, you can see. Okay, here's the band shade. We've been kind of breaching it. Okay, but we've never broken into it and held into it. The 5-minute is here. You can see this. There's the 64 band shade. Same situation. Okay, we've tried. We've reached a few times, but we haven't broken into it solidly. All right, so I'm short from 67. Just it's a 1-minute entry. I don't have a lot of weight on it. But if we can break these levels here, it should be a pretty quick move lower. All right, but the Dow just made a fresh high as well. So it's something I got to be cautious of. All right, there's +5 on mine. I don't know what you guys have. I just barely had a 62 +5, but no longer just +3. I want to try to let this thing break. So for those that are not dealing with as good as spreads, or they instead of having a 1 pip spread on euro, might have 2.5 or something. The whole point of getting into this trade was to see if this will break. So I want to see if it'll break. Now, if it breaks over the 78, I might not even add to it. This isn't like a totally provocative adding area. I might just take the hit. Now, what do I want to see for euro dollar to go lower? I want to see euro yen lower. I also would like to see dollar yen higher, because dollar yen higher would be a dollar strength. Dollar strength sends euro dollar lower. Meanwhile, Canada's at 64. It's coming down. All right, there's 61, 6, 7 pips. Let's see if we're going to get a new low here. There's 10. Ooh, briefly 10. Here we go. Keep pushing. Saw 57 for a moment. All right, I see 57, 58. That's cool. We're down here at this 55, so I'm out at 57. All right, +10. All right, and I'm flat. I didn't hang on to nothing. Thanks, Cash. We took it right, basically down to this 15-minute. Didn't quite hit, but we were right there. I got out at what, 57, 58, 57. So took a clean 10 on that. Thanks, Cash. Thanks, Gerald. I hope everyone's able to get some of that. It's a 1-minute trend trade.